And do you want to see what I got? And first, let me tell you something. All the videos that I made it were just made up, but this is the first video that I didn't make up. The Junior's suitcase car.
Go.
Hello. Now I'm gonna open it up and play with it. This is pretty cool because it's a suitcase and it even says Lego on the front. That's pretty cool. Now let's open it up. Okay. Pause. Remember, pause. What comes inside? Hello. Now I'm going to open it up. Back one. Okay, let's build this thing. First, I'm going to use the back one. Okay. How do we build this thing? Okay, first start with people. There's his hip, there's his leg, here's his hat, and there, one. Here's the people. Okay, now find the dog. Okay, now we need this piece. Now let's build the wheels. Got this one almost ready. And this one. And then one here. Then this right here. Then put this grill on. Then this piece on. Will go right behind. Two. I just sold them all the extra pieces. This is what everything came in bag one. Now fill bag two. I forgot the carrot. Okay. First we need this piece, then white, the door piece, okay? These pieces, okay. Now
It's gonna be the coolest video ever.
Now this piece, now we need another one of these. I just dropped the piece, be right back.
I'm not filming.
Okay, we're back now. Okay, we now need this piece.
We're back now. You hear him?
And let's plug it over. Build the fire thing first.
Dude, Tom's place is pretty cool. Yeah. Like at first, he has 2 offices. One of them's like nothing's in it, you know?
Okay.
And oh, hold on.
Here
And you go.
we go. No. Then let's again. Okay. Now let's find. Okay, this is all the stuff that came in bag 2. Bag 3 is for this garbage truck and this cool garbage truck. Actually, and this cool race car that has these pieces on it. That's very funny. Now 5